Good evening. My name is Brittany Arnold, and I am joined by Kelley Simpson and Adrienne Salvatore. We chose for our group project to assist the Frederick County Commissioner of Revenue, Mrs. Ellen Murphy, and her staff. First, we'll tell you a little bit about the Commissioner of Revenue. The Commissioner of Revenue's office is broken down into 5 divisions: business, compliance, income tax, personal property, and real estate. The Commissioner has the responsibility to assess and issue licenses to all businesses, to assess all forms of personal property, which includes all means of transportation, furnishings, as well as tools and equipment, to handle filings of meals, lodging, and short-term business rental, as well as to conduct real estate reassessment every 2 years. To help carry out these duties, the Commissioner's office has approximately 45 forms and applications available online. In the past, the office used a paper process for applications, notifications, and annual filings. Due to advancements in technology, there is now a push to use computers not only for online filings, but also to search a personal property record, view a list of businesses, and to use a personal property tax calculator. But here's the problem. Some county residents don't have access to a computer, and others may not feel comfortable using one for the first time. Before online programs, the staff had to print or copy thousands of forms and then stuff and mail the envelopes. Then the individual or business had to wait for it to arrive by mail, complete it by hand, and mail it back. After that, staff had to open and sort the thousands of mailed documents, enter the data into account records, and file the paperwork. Now staff update their website and send reminders of deadlines. Individuals and businesses can go online to complete forms and applications. The staff receive it by computer, and then it is automatically saved. To promote computer usage, the Commissioner offers online programs, printable forms, as well as interactive websites. After much encouragement, 68% of businesses renewed their license in the year of 2011. This year, 75% renewed online by the March 1st deadline.
The inability to use a computer affects everyone. Staff spend additional time reviewing forms and communicating with filers to verify handwritten data that may be incorrect. When it's dollar amounts being reported, it's crucial that the figure be correct. A benefit of computers is that they're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So once citizens feel comfortable with the online process, they can file anytime it's convenient for them. Other benefits are there's less paper, more filing space, and less trees being cut down, in turn helping the environment. So how can citizens be encouraged to file online if they don't have a computer, if they don't feel comfortable navigating the county website? A possible solution is to implement some sort of freestanding kiosk or computer available for citizens. While it would be self-service, staff would be able to assist those who aren't yet comfortable navigating through the county website the first time around. Offering a tutorial is another suggested tool. Our team's strategy was first to compare a kiosk versus a computer. We contacted 6 kiosk vendors and obtained information about their software, specific features or components, individual benefits, and cost. Next, we met with the county's IT department to discuss component specifications, security measures, and Captivate video program. We were also able to obtain from IT the cost figures of hardware and software costs. Next, we created a good, better, best model using the obtained information. Also, we surveyed other departments about their potential interest in a computer being available to citizens. The IT department, HR, the detention center, and Parks and Rec all responded with an interest.
In evaluating the advantage of one solution over another, we concluded that while kiosks are user-friendly, reliable, and encourage self-service, they are initially pretty expensive and can require an additional cost to keep the software updated. A computer would be less expensive, easier to maintain, and similar to what an individual or business may have used, so they might not get as intimidated as they would using a kiosk. We were glad several other departments expressed potential interest so that a greater range of county online services could be made available to its citizens. In addition to the Commissioner's office, other departments offer online programs, fileable forms, and interactive sites. A citizen can do everything from searching a county code, scheduling an inspection, submitting an employment application, to using an interactive mapping system and registering a child for a camp. After evaluating various options, our recommendation is to acquire a desktop computer or iPad to be set up solely for the Commissioner of Revenue within their office space. It should be installed with Windows 8.1 version, speakers, printing capability, and a durable enclosure. The cost for a computer along these lines would be between $1,500 and $1,800. There would be no cost to include a website navigational tutorial, as our team has already created one for the Commissioner of Revenue. Our further recommendation is at some point in the future, other interested county departments should be added along with their tutorial or their tutorial navigation videos for their website if needed. Eventually upgrading to a touchscreen computer with an on-screen keyboard and voice interface. The cost would be substantially higher, but could be shared among the other participating departments. It is important for Frederick County to continue to keep updated with changing technology. At this time, I would like to thank Ms. Lorraine Mossberg, Ms. Bev Rosado, Mr. Walter Banks, Ms. Ellen Murphy, Mr. Carr, and Mrs. Wolver. At this time, we would like to call Lorraine Mossberg and Ms. Ellen Murphy to take a token of gratitude from us. I messed that up.